Hello everyone. Today I'm super excited to show you how to download the Gacha Nox game 100% free to your mobile. First things first, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Once your browser is open, head over to Google and type in Gacha News. You'll see a bunch of search results. Click on the one that says gachanews.com. Now, you'll see a cool interface. Look for the search box on their website. In the search box, type Gacha Nox and hit enter. Click on the very first post that comes up. Now, just scroll down a bit. You'll see a big download button below. Click on the Gachanox Android option. In a few seconds, you'll be redirected to another page. Look for the download option from Mediafire and click on it. Boom! The Gachanox app will start downloading to your mobile automatically. Once it's done, you can install the game and start having fun right away.